Hello everyone, this is Astha Pandey from BSc first year Mathematics. Today I explain the concept of the cylinder and the cone. The cylinder is a surface generated by a variable straight line which is parallel to a fixed line and intersecting a given curve. Here we see that this cylinder is referred from this. There are some parts of the cylinder, that is generator, the line which generates the surface of the cylinder. Next, axis, the fixed straight line is called the axis. Third, guiding curve, the curve with which the generators intersect. Next, we know the equation of the cylinder. The equation of a cylinder whose generators are parallel to the line, that is x by L is equals to y by m is equals to n by z, and the base is the conic. So the equation of the cylinder is ax square plus by square plus 2hxy plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0, and z is also 0. This is the cylinder where this surface is xyz and its direction cosines are x by L is equals to y by m is equals to n by z. The equation of this generator is x minus x1 by L is equals to y minus y1 by m is equals to z minus z1 by n. This is made to the base z is equals to 0, as here z is equals to 0 is given. So x minus x1 by L is equals to y minus y1 by m is equals to minus z1 by n. So the point Q will be x1 minus L by n z1, y1 minus m z1 by n, and 0. This point satisfies the equation of the base, that is a x1 minus L n z1 square plus y1 minus m by n z1 square plus 2h x1 minus L by n z1 y1 minus m by n z1 plus 2g into x1 minus L by n z1 plus 2f y1 minus m by n z1 plus c is equals to 0. Solving this equation, we get the required equation, and this value is putting from this equation, that is this equation of the cylinder. Next, we know the concept of the cone. A surface generated by a straight line which passes through a fixed point and intersect a given curve is called cone. The cone is referred from this. This is the line and this is the guiding surface. Here the components of the cone is vertex. The fixed point is called the vertex. That is fixed point. The fixed point is that which is known as the vertex. Generator. Any line on the surface of the cone is called the generator. Third, guiding curve. We see this from the figure, that is guiding curve. The given curve with which the generator intersect is called the guiding curve. Equation of conic section whose vertex and guiding curve are given. The equation of conic whose vertex is alpha, beta, gamma and guiding curve is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0, and z is also equals to 0. The process of the equation is, the equation of the guiding curve is fxy is equals to ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0, and z is also equals to 0, and the vertex A is alpha, beta, gamma. Let generating line is x minus alpha by L is equals to y minus beta by m is equals to z minus gamma by n. This generating line and guiding curve intersect at alpha minus L by n is L by n into gamma, and beta minus m by n is equals to gamma, comma 0. This point satisfies guiding curve fxy is equals to 0, that is f alpha minus L by n gamma, comma beta minus m by n gamma, comma 0 is equals to 0. This is equation second. Here we have equation first and equation second, and we put it this in the equation. Eliminates lambda comma m and n between equation first and second, then we get the required equation of cone. Thank you very much.